Hello friends, it's Jiftesh from Core Digital. In last video, we saw how to integrate Tailwind CSS with the Ionic View project. But where we left that one was that although the Tailwind CSS is working absolutely fine, but the IntelliSense was not working. Even I have installed the Tailwind CSS IntelliSense extension. So what you guys need to do is to enable that is you need to have the Tailwind config.js, and then in this one what you need to do is export default. This is the standard config for the Tailwind, but of course we're integrating with the Vue. It doesn't ask for it because it's done by the Vue, but we can specify these ones, and this will help to in case you're using themes and other things as well within that. But for right now we can just give the content. This is basically where is our content, where is our the files where we have the classes of the Tailwind. So we can specify index.html in case we need to write any CSS class there. And what we can do is, because all our stuff is within the source folder, so we can say source folder and then sub any folder, and then we can specify the extensions in case there is a Vue file, JS file, TypeScript file, any of those. It should look into that one to figure it out, the Tailwind CSS class. That's all you guys need to do. So once I save that, if I go back now, if I say margin 5, as you can see now the IntelliSense is working absolutely fine. I hover over, it shows me everything. That's how guys you do it. All right, thank you, cheers, bye.